Hello, this is Mr. Allison with How to Use Canvas. And today I'm going to show you guys how to sign in to Canvas and how to set up your profile. So at the beginning of the school year, you're going to be given a username and a password. Your username most likely is going to be your email, your school email, and then your password could be your student ID number. But you'll be given that at the beginning of the school year. So whenever you get that, you go ahead and put it in. And then right here, don't forget to click check the box here so that you stay signed in. And then click login. Now it might tell you, you might get something that says something about saving your password. Again, save that so that it saves your username and your password. So next time you don't have to insert it. Now to set up your profile is to go to accounts here at the top, come down to settings. Up here you can update your photograph. So again, post a photograph there. And then come here, you go ahead and put your email address, maybe a Gmail. Again, you'll probably already have your school email address there. So again, the email address that you'll add is a Gmail. Again, that is how to sign into Canvas and how to set up your profile.